welcome back to Mina's kitchen. Today I'm gonna cook hot and sour soup. I hope you guys like it. First we go for the ingredient and then step by step I will show you what to do. For this soup we need chicken breast or chicken thigh, anything you like. I have one chicken breast here and with 2 or 3 small onion. I'm gonna make a stock for that first. Now I'm going to chop the onion and cutting the chicken breast. I have 6 cups of water here, it's boiling. Now I'm gonna put my onion and chicken breast here with a little bit salt. So pressure cook it for 5 minutes to make a chicken stock. Here I need to cut all my veggies. I have 9 mushrooms, 3 carrots, some cabbage and spring onion. I need to marinate my chicken for half a tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of soya. Now I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch here. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of water for the thickness of the soup. We're going to put it on the side, this one too. Okay, so a little bit more is that. This is for thickness of the soup. Make sure there is no lumps on it. Now I'm gonna make a sauce for the soup. I have to put 1 tablespoon of sugar here. Oh. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil here. I forget to put 1 tablespoon of black pepper also. I'm going to show you now. Tofu, cornstarch, and vinegar and sesame oil sauce, and soya sauce and red chili sauce, and we have 1 beaten egg and all the veggie and the chicken. I have to put my chicken first for 5 minutes. Put my chicken, let it boil for 5 minutes. Now I have to put my veggie, like cabbage first. And the carrot and the mushroom. Now I'm gonna put my tofu. Be gentle with the tofu, do not break it. I'm going to put the sauce. I made it like the red chili sauce with the soya sauce, dark soya sauce. I have to put it in a Now I'm going to put the cornstarch. Let it boil for 2 minutes. My soup is not thick enough. I put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to add it on to make it a little bit thicker. Now I'm going to put the bean sprout. After 5 minutes, I have my 2 beaten egg. At last, I'm gonna put the egg. I put it like around. Make it a circle. Give it a minute and then mix. For 5 minutes, it's boiling on a medium heat. Now I'm gonna turn off my heat and put the last ingredient, the vinegar and the black pepper and sesame oil. Okay guys, this is how I cook my hot and sour soups. I hope you guys like it. Try it at home. Please don't forget to comment down below, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. See you till next video. Here I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of salt.
Sugar, man.
Sorry. Now I have to put 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of sugar here.